Today we will be running Inconel-182 on DC at around 70 amps. I have the stainless pipe. I don't know what material this is. I haven't checked. The millwright fit this up. He's not here. So just to be safe to weld the two different steels together, we'll use Inconel. Then after that, I will weld this bottom base onto it, and it'll be a key for the landing gear for the P-39. So here's the results of my single pass nut weld on here. I'll find a better way to get you on this. I mean, it's nothing great. I mean, it's there. This has to be able to withstand an impact gun. So pretty good.